Hello students. In this video I'm going to show you a tool for translating your documents while you're in Canvas. So I opened up one of the pages that we were looking at, and so let's go ahead and I'll click on syllabus, and here we have this reading, and I'm going to click right there, and then I'm going up to this tool called Immersive Reader. I'll click on that. And now if we look through here, it's like a lot of large letters and kind of hard to read and everything. So there's three choices here. There's the A's and there's this little note thing and then a book. So I'll click the A letters and change the text size down to, I like it down to about 1 there. And then there you can see there's still a lot of spacing in there, and I'll take the spacing tool off there. And now it's a little bit more readable. Let's close this and scroll down. See, it's a little bit better. So those two settings, text size down, take the increased spacing off. If you want a different color background or want to look at it differently, you can use this, or you can change your font too, if this is a difficult font to read. This tool right here I'm not going to really go over, but what it does is it divides the words into syllables, and if you wanted to just look at all the nouns, you can click this and then that highlights all the nouns. Or if you want to look at just adjectives, it's picking up all the adjectives now. So I don't do too much with this little icon here, but then the book over here is, this is the line focus, and you can do like 1 line, 3 lines, a little bit bigger space to read. A lot of students like that because it makes you focus your eyes, but I don't. I just want it the normal, so I take the line focus button and turn it off. Picture dictionary is turned on right now, and if you turn it on, that means you can look at a word, and let's say that I didn't understand the word. I'll just take the word expect right here, and it gives you kind of a little image of to try to help you understand what the word means, and you can have it pronounced.
Expect. Expect.
Okay, so let's do information. It kind of gives you a little thing, and then you can listen.
Information. Information.
Here's a word that you might not understand, outcomes, and it's down below my thing, and so I can,
Outcomes.
let's see, I gotta scroll down a little bit. Oh, it doesn't have a picture. Okay, let's try syllabus, and it shows you a thing.
Syllabus.
Okay, so I'm going back up to the book, and that was the picture dictionary. Now, what if I wanted this whole thing translated? I can pick document. Oh, but before I do more translating, I have to pick language. So I'm going to pick Arabic, Egyptian Arabic. I just randomly pick that. And now translate the document, click the document. And it's picked up the alphabet, and also it's reading from right to left instead of left to right. And let's try another language so you can get an idea. Let's pick Chinese, translate it, and it's got those characters. And we can go down here, we have English and French. Now it's in, I have to translate it. Now it's in French for me. And what other languages might we have? Hindi, we have Icelandic. I mean, there's all sorts of languages in here. Korean. Just keep going down and you'll find like Spanish. They have like 3 different versions of Spanish. The Spanish that's spoken in Latin America and Mexico and in Spain. Each of them kind of have different vocabularies and words that they use, and also the pronunciation might be a little bit different in each of those. There's Swedish and Ukrainian, Russian. Um, Now, if we can't, let's see, let's look at the Russian because that has a different, either Ukrainian or Russian has the different, there's Ukrainian, they have a different uh, alphabet too. So it's not translated yet. Click document and it translates it. And now you have the Ukrainian letters for reading. So you can read your assignment here. That'll give you a better understanding of what you want to do. Go back over to your English and you'll be able to do your work. And again, it works on pages and it works on assignments. Let me just show you an assignment how it works. Click here. I'll go down to where the instructions are and click here and Immersive Reader. Take this, change the size, take this, and oops, let's see, I need to do this and take the spacing off. Go to my book, pick a language, translate, and now it's translated. Okay, terrific tool, terrific tool. And oh, there was an arrow that went back to go back to this particular screen.